can everybody hear me? Sorry, just getting set up here. Just so much going on here today. INTC, I'm watching, and also the SWKS. So this is better under 51, but let's see if this can start going here. It's trying. This is good too, though. I'm just gonna funnel back and forth between these two here right now. Okay, stop on this is gonna have to be 52.45. Let's do 69 by 45. 69 by 45 INTC. We can do 70. Here, do it. Get in it right now. Get the stop in. Don't worry about where you got filled. Just get the stop in. It's going to go right away. I wasn't sure how this was going to set up, but we don't want to miss it here. It's better if it breaks 51, and it's going to, here. Oy. And I just, stop's got to be where I said. 52.45. Here we go. Let's see if we can get this down to 50. Here. Oh, my God. It's going to break 51 right away. Holy crap. Here. Let's look at the market. Here. INTC. We'll talk about the market when we're done. I'll answer Zen traders' questions when we're done. Some awesome calls yesterday in the options letter. So happy. I knew the news I knew that something was gonna happen with China, but I didn't know when. So that's what created the sell-off yesterday. And surprisingly, news outlets really weren't talking about it. They were talking about it that it was the economic data, but in reality, that sell-off hit at the exact moment that I saw that news come across about China. So the sell-off had to do with China yesterday, and that is also what is happening here in the gap down this morning. All right, here we go. Crap, I almost looked away. I missed it. Here, you could have been out of this. You could have taken it. Here, let's not miss this. We're seeing if we can get it down a little bit more, and then that's it. This could potentially break 50 today. Here we go. This is it. Nice trade and a great close to this week. What a fabulous, fabulous week we ended up having. And it started out like the slowest week in the planet. Come on, here we go. Did it break 20? No. 50 is the target, but it got within 30 cents of that again. You could be out of this here. 933. Big news. Guess what? Sure, no one will not believe this. Neiman Marcus is closing at Hudson Yards. Can you believe that? I found out late last night. That is devastating for New York and absolutely ruins that project, Hudson Yards. I mean, that is big news. And on top of that, listen to this. So here, I'll wait. I'll tell you the story when we're out of this here. Can you believe that anyone would buy this market here? I mean, what idiots would buy this market here? Full on, complete crazy people would be buying this market here down today. I knew we were going to be down today too. So you can get out of all the puts this morning if you want, or you ride them out. There's no bad decision, to be honest with you. There's no wrong decision. Did anybody get out of INTC? Is everybody still in it? Oh, David got out of it. Yeah, we're still lower. A couple people got out. Gyro got out. Matthew got out. Gonna give this one more chance here, but I mean, Apple's lower. We're still lower, but you could. This was a nice call, and you could be out. Anyways, while we're waiting for this, so like Wednesday, my personal shopper at Neiman's sent me a text and said they're opening next week, and I was like, oh, okay. And that was Wednesday, okay? And then last night, I get an email they're closing. So, and then I texted him. He's like, yeah, I just found out. So they just told employees yesterday. And Wednesday, they had told employees they were coming back. So, like, you know, they had declared bankruptcy a couple months ago. I don't know if it was May or June. Like, they were, like, even up to the last minute, they were probably trying to reorganize to stay open there. I mean, it's just, that is, I cannot tell you how like that project is ruined if Neiman's leaves and they're leaving. Like, there's just, it's gonna fail. Here we go. INTC under 30. And people paid astronomical prices when they bought those last year. I went and looked at them. Not only did I go to the opening party, I went and looked at the real estate. People paid $35 million for those apartments. Some paid more. I don't even know, like, what, I can't even tell you what I think they're going to be worth now. Like, they could be worth less than 50%. Here, INTC. That is devastating to New York City real estate as well. Here we go, under 50. Can you do it? Can you do it? And actually, my building, they've been trying to sell that too, even though this isn't Hudson Yards. They've been trying to piggyback on that for sales. Actually, I emailed them last night. 5005. Come on! Go! It's like, seriously. I know I'm the only one that thinks about these things because, ow. I'm the only one that thinks about these things because I plan on having